Hi, I'm Sean Mahabir. Here's a quick tutorial on how to install a chamber safety flag into a firearms chamber. I'll be using this semi-automatic handgun to demonstrate. To start, make sure the gun is pointed in a safe direction, completely unloaded, and the safety is set. Depending on what kind of firearm you're using, open the action, bolt, or slide, and lock in place. Insert the small, round end of the chamber flag into the firearm's empty chamber. Slowly release and close the action, bolt, or slide onto the chamber flag, while making sure the curved end of the flag is clearly visible. This lets everyone know the chamber of the firearm is, in fact, empty. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.